Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sichamba Jacob. I've got a question with me here where we need to find the bearing of Q from P. So Q is right here and P is over here. So what we need to do here is to go to where it says from P. Point P is here. Do your north. This is the north, and then you start moving towards the line that is joining Q and P. So this is a line which is joining the two of them. Thereafter, you find this, okay? After doing that, you now find this angle here, of which, for it to be found, we need to use two properties here. The first property will be the property of parallel lines. So when you've got these two parallel lines, you see the way they look? And there is a transverse line which cuts like this. This shows that this angle is equal to this angle, okay? Provided these two are parallel, you can see this is north and this is north. They are forming a Z. You can see that the Z. So the angle here will be equal to the angle here. That's what we need. And since we've been given this angle from here all the way up to here, we shall subtract 180 from this one. We know that this is a straight line, and angle of the straight line add up to 180. So we're going to say 228 degrees minus 180 degrees. So this will give us a 48 degrees, okay? 48 degrees is what we are getting. So the angle here is 48 degrees. Now, using the property over here, we're going to say this is 0.48 degrees. It being a bearing, it's a 0.480 degrees. Remember, bearings, we write them in three figure. So 1, 2, 3. If you've got just two numbers like this, you put a 0 at the beginning. So we can write that this is 0.48 degrees. We go to the next question, question B. So for question B, we just we go to where they've said from R. This is point R here. We do the same. We start moving up until we touch the line that is joining P and R. You can see P is here. So they said from P, of P from R, of P from R. So you go to where they're saying from. And then here, looking at how it looks, we need to find this angle inside here so that we come and use property of a circle, which is the 360. We just subtract this angle. That will be our answer. So to find this angle, if you're able to see, we shall use property of a triangle, which says that this angle plus this angle plus this, it will give us 180. So we're going to say 180 degrees minus 72 degrees plus 80 degrees. So when we add these two and subtract from 180, we'll get the angle we are looking for. This is 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. The addition of these two is giving us 120, which is equal to a 60 degrees. So meaning the angle inside here is 60 degrees. So we are going to subtract 60 from 360. So this will just be 360 degrees minus a 60 degrees. The reason why we are subtracting this, or the reason why we're using this 360, it's because it's a property of a circle, okay? When we subtract 60 from 360, we are going to remain with this part of the circle, okay? Which is our answer. That will just be a 300 degrees.